Shalom family, trendsetter. I'm actually at work, so you're going to hear some noise in the background. Now real quick, I want to share a video with y'all. I want y'all to pay attention to this Neanderthal psychopath. She's on a New York subway, and she's basically exhibiting her natural reaction. This is how they behave, you know what I'm saying, when they're not in public. So Donald Trump pretty much allowed these devils, give them the green light, listen, to express yourself. Now that I'm president, if you're a white supremacist, you're allowed to come out and express it. And now not only they're expressing it on black people, now they're targeting Asians. So you so-called Asians who believe that y'all are white because you got that so-called white leprosy pink skin, because y'all not white. Okay, y'all definitely not white. Y'all definitely either pink or reddish, you know what I'm saying, complexion. So for those of you who think that y'all are better than black people, now y'all are put in the same category as far as these devils are concerned. So I want y'all to watch this video, and y'all can comment in the comment section if y'all want. Shalom.
You're a stupid bitch. Fuck off! Okay, stupid. Fuck off! Fuck off! What? What? Can I act stupid? I'm gonna give him a key right back.
Shut the fuck up. Stop. Stop.
You're not letting me hit her back. She's hitting my stomach.
That's why.
You're fucking retarded. Don't fucking touch me.
Stop.
Don't fucking touch me.
Stop.
You come touch me, I will punch you right back. I don't care who the fuck you are.
Yo, lady, just chill out, please. Yo, stop. I'm on top of you, okay?
Please stop. Stop it. Stop.
Yo, hey, what's going on?
Stop.
Yo, what are you doing?
No, she's hitting me. I'm not gonna let her.
Please put that girl down.
Lady, what's your problem? Just
Yo, it's too early for this shit.
Stop.
lady, obviously you have a problem, so just relax.
She's not even fighting you back, bitch.
Fuck off.
Please stop.
Yo, lady, you need to chill out before you get hit in your face.
Fuck off.
No, you shut the fuck up.
Yo, what are you doing?
Okay?
What the fuck are you doing?
No, what are
Fuck
you doing?
off.
Okay?
Fuck off.
No, it's dangerous.
Fuck off.
Okay, so stop. It's intentionally. You take off your key, you take off your umbrella to hit her.
I sent it everywhere.
Everyone is okay? Okay, good. Call the cops. Don't give a fuck.
Actually, don't, because you're going to make us all late for work, bitch. Too early for this shit.
Don't fuck with me, you piece of shit.
Okay, call the
Back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Let everybody get to work. Call 911, please.
What
Stop
the
being disgusting.
fuck?
Fuck off.
I would have knocked the shit out that bitch.
Fucking chick.
What? 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 Nah. Your white privilege ain't working over here, yo. Fuck out of here with that racist shit.
At least I didn't try you.
Yo, these bitches are fucking disgusting. I would have slapped the shit out this bitch. Yo, you know what?
Earlier incident.
This lady came on the train with some severe mental issues.
Seriously.
Okay. Everyone is.
You already know she voted for Trump.